Introducing the new ProGear 225 foldable magnetic upright bike with hard pulse, an easily transportable and compact folding bike that provides maximum space savings, effective cardio and leg workouts, as well as smart heart monitoring capabilities. Powered by a dual transmission flywheel that enables high resistance workouts, the core of the ProGear 225 is its 3-piece cranking system that achieves a smooth and consistent pedaling motion. The precisely balanced flywheel and V-belt drive make this bike near silent when in motion, ensuring users can enjoy listening to music or watching TV while they work out. 8 levels of magnetic tension control let fitness enthusiasts configure just the right degree of challenge for a perfect workout experience. Strong enough to accommodate up to 220 pounds of user weight, the ergonomic contoured seat cushion is also easily adjustable to fit 5' 1" to 6' user heights. Thanks to its sturdy construction and adjustable leg stabilizers, any shifting and tipping during use is eliminated. The ProGear 225 also features an easy-to-read LCD display that empowers users with vital workout statistics, including calories burned, distance traveled, time elapsed, speed, as well as heart rate monitoring via built-in hand pulse sensors. Finally, larger than average pedals with safety straps lock feet into place to eliminate slippage during intense exercise. The ProGear 225 possesses a multitude of smart design features that make it excel in living areas where space comes at a premium. It can be folded to almost half its operating size for storage, and with the built-in transportation wheels, relocating the unit is a snap. Quiet, compact, and easy to store, the ProGear 225 foldable upright bike with hard pulse is the ideal workout solution for apartment and small home use. Stay fit and spend less with the ProGear 225.
The Marcy ME709 Recumbent Magnetic Resistance Exercise Bike combines the benefits of working out in a relaxed and comfortable seating position. Many of the features found on larger, more expensive recumbent exercise bikes are present on the ME709. The recumbent seating position keeps you comfortable throughout your workout, so you stay motivated to push further. Shape, firm, and tone your body while improving your stamina, metabolic rate, and cardiovascular conditioning. Features include smooth, quiet, magnetic resistance, 8 preset levels of resistance, a comfortable seat with oversized pads, fully adjustable for people with different leg lengths, An easy-to-read computer displays your speed, distance, time, and calories burned. A step-through frame design makes it easy to get in and out. The Marcy ME709 is easily rolled away for storage when you're done with your workout. And it comes with Marcy's 2-year limited warranty.
Welcome to JOROTO store. With near silent belt drive and adjustable magnetic resistance, JOROTO X2 is a great choice for indoor workout. It can support 280 pounds. The seat and handlebar are both 4-way adjustable to suit watching.